let's go. Uh, we are now at 84. The first said a step down transformer has a power output of 50 watt and efficiency of 80%. If the main if the main supply is 200 volts, calculate the primary current of the transfer. So what we're looking for is I primary current at IP. All right. So first of all, now usual form, our usual tradition, let's take down what we are seeing. 84. We are seeing efficiency is 80%. Changes to normal figure now. We say over 100. 80 over 100 will now give us 0.8 to 0.8 we are using. And then we're also giving inputs. That's the volume, primary volume. Yes, sorry. Primary voltage rather. Sorry. Primary volume. Primary voltage. If the main source of supply voltage, that's the primary. That's 200. 200 volts. Then we have um, current input. That's IP. Current input is one. Current input is not given. That's what we're looking for. And then current input is not given. Then we have output power. Output power to be given as 50. All right. All right. So first step, we look for power input. All right. But there's power output. There's no power input. All right. So that's the first step we look for. First step, we look for what power input. That's we say efficiency is equals to P out over P in. All right. So remember what you're solving is 0.8. 0.8 for efficiency now. Then equal to 50 over P in. All right. So what you solve in general now is P in is equal to 50 over 50 over what? Over 0.8. Okay. So whatever you get in this answer, I'll call it X. Whatever I get in this answer is X for me because I'm not solving today. So that's X. What you do is to look for power input, we say primary voltage times primary current. Primary voltage is 200, right? Primary voltage is 200. Primary current was not given. Then now we have the primary input. So now we say IP, that's primary current, is equals to what? IP is equals to power in over primary voltage, which is the same thing as your X. Now the answer you got here, X over 200. All right, that is that for that. All right, so we're doing 86 now. 86, final question for chapter 28. Okay, 86. 86 says a particle carrying a charge of 1.0 times 10 raised to the power, I think that's minus 6. All right, 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, enters enters a magnetic field at 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 2. That's 10 raised to the power 2. At right angles to the field, if the force on this particle is 1.8 times 10 raised to the power minus 8, what is the magnitude of the field? So we're looking for the magnitude of the field. The magnitude of the field that we are looking for. Okay? Magnitude of the field. Alright, let's go. So let's take down what we know or what we were given, what we can see. Alright, let's take down what we can see. Alright, let's go. From the look of things, we can see Q, that's 86. We can see Q, and Q is what? 10, sorry, 1.0. 1.0 times 10 raised to the power minus what? 6. Alright, that is the charge. That is Q, the charge. Then we have V, which is the velocity, which is 3.0 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Then we have F, which is the force. The force is 1.8 times 10 raised to the power of 8 minus 8. Then we have theta. Theta is what? 90. Alright, 90 degrees. Our formula says force is equals to what? Charge. This is U, kind of small u. UB1 sine theta. That's our formula. Alright. Now sine theta that is 90 already. Theta is 90. Sine of theta that is 90 is 1. Okay. Sine of theta, sine 90 is 1. So let's get that out of the way. So what we're now looking for will now be B, right? Is B we're looking for. B, which is the magnitude of the field. That's B. So B will now be equals to what? B will equals to F over Q U. This is what you are solving. So plug in. F is 1.8 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. Q is 10 times 10, 1 times 1 times 10, 1.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Y U is 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 2. So just plug in your, and you are getting your answer. Alright. Remember the formula for that is is T. T is the answer. T is the answer. Alright, let's go. Like the answer will carry a T that we are saying. That's the magnitude in tons. Alright, take care. That is all.